CES 2018. I'm here with Klaus, and we're going to be talking about Petwalk next. So, you know, we have pet doors, and, you know, the biggest concern about a pet door is somebody could actually get in, or the pet could go out at the wrong time. So why don't you tell us a little bit about what you guys are doing to the pet door that's bringing it to 2018.
Yeah, so actually this was driving us together with the problem that you have a lot of drafts and basically also the snow in your house.
Yeah.
So this one is the first real front door. It's just especially tailor-made for cats and for dogs.
And for dogs, okay.
So usually these guys probably can open up a door, but they never close the door.
Yeah.
So it's automatic.
I don't know why. We should train our pets to close the door. You think that would be a good idea?
So we tried to, but if so, we would probably be out of business.
Yeah, I suppose then we'd have to teach them to use how to use the toilet, how to do the, you know. Okay, so you have a pet door, really nice pet doors over here. Tell us about it.
So the pet doors are, beside the fact that they do what you can expect from a good front door, so they're airtight, they are very well insulated, and they are burglar proof.
Okay.
They're automatic. Basically, they work like an automatic door you know from a public sector.
Okay.
But they work specially tailor-made for cats and dogs. So they identify a cat or a dog based on an implanted RFID transponder or an RFID transponder positioned on a collar.
Okay.
But they are even smarter now, because what we should present here is you can use any cloud-based video service, like, for example, Google's Nest Cam.
Okay.
And we analyze the video stream and make a face recognition for pets. So
would I put that on the outside of the door, or would I
you put it on the outside?
Okay.
So it works like any other outdoor cam.
Okay.
So we analyze it. If we are sure it's your pet, then we open up the door.
Okay.
If we're not 100% sure, we send you the video stream, so you have a video intercom, you can look yourself, is it mine? And then can let it in. If it's probably somebody who should not be coming in, you can then trigger the alarm.
Okay, so we have a certain delivery system that wanted to do that whole key thing where they leave the packages indoor to keep the pirates out. Could we use Petwalk for that same idea?
Absolutely. So it's very, very easy. All the users have to do is just to put a little sticker with a barcode on the door. And the parcel delivery guy then just scans the barcode. You get an alert on your mobile asking you if you want to open him up the door. He puts in the parcel, door closes, delivery is accepted, as easy as that.
Oh my goodness.
And you don't have to go for any specific
extra bonus right here. That's awesome. Petwalk, is it available now?
No, not yet.
Not yet?
It's in about 30 countries around the world, but not in the States right now.
Okay.
We plan for launch in the second half of 2018.
Okay. What's the price point on it?
In Europe, the product sells for about 1,600 euros upwards.
Okay.
There are a lot of options you can choose of.
Okay.
And it depends a little bit on how exclusive you want to have it.
Size of the door and all
Size
that
of the doors,
stuff,
and you can basically also tailor it from the design perspective to match your home environment. You can choose from different covers, different materials. You can really make it look nice.
Yeah, you have like prints of cats and dogs on the doors.
Absolutely.
So where do people go for more information?
So just visit our website. It's www.petwalk.at. It's nothing dangerous. It's just for Austria.
Oh, yeah. So, all right. Well, Klaus, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you very much for being here.
And we got a lot more videos over at geekazine.com. Check it all out. You can stay in shot here.
Oh, good. Yeah,
so
go away.
we got a ton of videos over at CES 2018. Check it out all over at geekazine.com, youtube.com/geekazine. And, of course, like, subscribe, and comment down below. Hit the bell for notifications. Till next time, you guys, geek out.